Okay, we are trying something new. I'm starting a series where I set a timer for 5 minutes and I start one small task. And there's no deep cleaning, no spiraling into, well, while I'm here and have this cleaning cloth out, it's just 5 minutes and done. Because when you're recovering from a brain injury, from a chronic illness, from just too many things going on in your life and you are tired and wiped out, clean the kitchen can feel like a mountain. But sometimes 5 minutes doesn't feel like a mountain. 5 minutes feels achievable. 5 minutes feels doable. And if you push yourself after that 5 minutes is over, it's too much and can really deplete your system. Here's the thing that I have realized, and I'm hoping we can realize together and grow together. Those 5 minutes add up. 5 minutes once a day adds up. They're not nothing. They are a real accomplishment. So each month I'm going to pick a task for myself, set a 5-minute timer, and I'm hoping that you will pick a task and work alongside me so that we're kind of long distance working together, if that makes sense. Pick your small activity. Mine is going to be unloading the dishwasher. And then if it's under the 5 minutes, I'm going to start loading the dishwasher because my sink is full. Pick something small and let's go. The timer's going, so let's jump in. I'm unloading first. Here's the thing I want to say while my hands are busy. I'd like to talk to the two different types of people watching this right now because I think that this community needs different things. If you've got ADHD and this 5 minutes just gave you a little spark, that dopamine hit of, ooh, I did a thing. Let's keep going. Genuinely go for it. Ride that. Load the next task. Knock out 3 more things while your momentum's there. That instinct can be a gift. And I'm not going to tell you to sit on your hands when your brain has the energy and the incentive and finally wants to cooperate. Kudos. Go for it. But if you are dealing with a chronic illness or if you're in concussion recovery, I need you to pause for a second before you decide to keep going. Because here's what can happen. You finish this task and you get that same dopamine hit and you feel good, and then your brain tells you, see, I'm fine. Let's keep moving. But feeling good for a moment doesn't mean your body has the capacity for what is coming next. That good feeling can be so convincing. It can talk you into overdoing it before you've even noticed you're doing it. So if that is you, take an honest breath at the end, not a performative one, but give a real check-in. Or do it right now while you're mid-task. You feel good, but underneath the little win, are you thinking, I actually have more in the tank? Or, I feel good because I did the whole thing I set out to do, and that's going to be the whole assignment today. Just empty your dishwasher if you're emptying your dishwasher alongside of me, or whatever 5-minute task you chose. Because both of those are valid stopping points. You are allowed to do one task, feel proud of it, and be done. You don't have to prove that you can keep going just because you technically could for another minute or two. Doing the one thing and then walking away is not giving up. It's called pacing, and it's an actual skill. This counts. Emptying the dishwasher is not a small, silly, it doesn't really matter task. It's a task. It has a start and an end, and you're doing it, and that's the whole thing. I think we get taught, especially when we're tired or we're sick or recovering from something, that only the big stuff counts. Deep cleans, your full to-do list, everything at once or it doesn't matter, and that's just not true. 5 minutes, one task, and done, that's a win. Full stop. It's not a starter win. It's not a practice win. It is a real win. And an empty dishwasher sets you up for success. If you have an empty dishwasher, maybe some of the plates or the mugs or the cups will make it into the dishwasher instead of into the sink or onto the counter. You're setting yourself up for success. I just recorded an episode about cognitive fatigue, so I'll link it because we don't realize how much mental energy all these little things take and how hard it is for our brain to recover when we push ourselves. So I'll link it above. So however this went for you today, whether you're about to go tackle 3 more things or whether this is genuinely it for you right now, I want you to actually let yourself feel good about completing a 5-minute task. Not, well, good, but I wish I could do more. Not good, except I should probably also. What you've done is good. Just good. You did the 5 minutes. Maybe you completed the whole task. Maybe you just got a good head start. And that's it. That's enough. Good job. If you set your 5-minute timer and cleaned anything today, please drop it in the comments below. I would like to know that I am not just screaming into the ether here. And next month, we will do it again.